Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.